How to turn on or turn off voice access on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now in here, we go down and tap on voice access. At the top here, tap on the voice access toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now when you turn it on, it said here, phone call settings, voice access needs permission to make and manage phone calls. This allows you to control whether voice access is used for calls or stop listening when you're in a call. So tap on the continue button and then tap on allow. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Once you start voice access, you can see there is an icon right here that is allow you to turn it on or you can switch it off. Unmute volume. So you can use voice access to control your device. So you can swipe down, tap on it to pause. If you want, you can tap on the button to resume. So you can always pause voice access by swiping down at the top to open up your notifications. And from here, we can pause or resume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.